Teachers' Day, birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, 5th September. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on 5th September to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a renowned scholar, recipient of Bharat Ratna, first Vice President and second President of India. He was born on 5th September 1888. As an educationist, he was an advocate of edification and was a distinguished envoy, academician, and above all a great teacher. Teachers play an important role in our lives to become successful in career and business. They help us to become a good human being, a better member of society, and an ideal citizen of the country. Teachers' Day is celebrated to acknowledge the challenges, hardships, and the special role that teachers play in our lives. Importance of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is one such event for which students and teachers equally look forward to. Teachers' Day is important for the students as it gives them a chance to understand the efforts put in by their teachers to ensure that they get a proper education. Similarly, teachers also look forward to Teachers' Day celebration as their efforts get recognized and honored by students and other agencies as well. Why is it celebrated on 5th September? On the auspicious occasion of Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday, his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday. In reply, Dr. Radhakrishnan said that instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be a privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. About Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President and second President of independent India. Before being Vice President and President, he was an academician, philosopher, and one of the India's most renowned teachers of 20th century. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Tirutani in Tamil Nadu. His father and mother were Sarvapalli Veeraswamy and Sitamma. His wife was Sivakamu, and he was the father of 5 daughters and 1 son. Throughout his academic life, he was awarded scholarships. He joined Voorhees College in Vellore, but later he moved to the Madras Christian College at the age of 17. In 1906, he had completed his master's degree in philosophy and became a professor. He was knighted in 1931, and since then till the attainment of independence, he was addressed as Sir Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. But after independence, he came to be known as Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. In 1936, he was named as Spalding Professor of Eastern Religions and Ethics at the University of Oxford, also elected as the Fellow of All Souls College. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly in 1946. He served as the ambassador to UNESCO and later to Moscow. In 1952, he became the first Vice President of India, and in 1962, he became the second President of independent India. He was awarded Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India, in 1954. In 1954, he received the German Order pour le Mérite for Art and Science, and in 1961, the Peace Prize of the German Book Trade. In 1963, he also received the Order of Merit, and in 1975, the Templeton Prize for promoting the notion of a universal reality of God that embraced love and wisdom for all people. And amazing is that he had donated the entire prize money to Oxford University. To join the University of Calcutta, when Dr. Radhakrishnan was leaving Mysore University, the students of Mysore University took him to the station in a carriage which had been decorated with flowers. From 1931 to 1936, he was the Vice Chancellor of Andhra University, and from 1939 to 1948, he was the Vice Chancellor at Banaras Hindu University, and at Delhi University, he was the Chancellor from 1953 to 1962. In the memory of Dr. Radhakrishnan, Oxford University started the Radhakrishnan Chevening Scholarships and the Radhakrishnan Memorial Award. He had founded HelpAge India, which is a non-profit organization for elderly underprivileged people. Since 1962, Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on 5th September every year to pay tribute to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan on his birth anniversary. When he became the Prime Minister of India, he accepted only Rs 2500 out of Rs 10,000 salary, and the remaining amount was donated to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund every month. He died on 17th April 1975. How is the day celebrated? On the occasion of Teachers' Day, cultural programs are organized in schools. Students on this day give cards and flowers to honor them.